My name is Lokesh. I'm here to talk about the project that I did for the NLP course that's on boosting clickbait detection through semantic insights and attention-driven neural networks. What is a clickbait? So, clickbait is a deceptive online tactic designed to attract the users into clicking on hyperlinks that ultimately lead to content of little value and relevance. Problems with clickbait are illegal marketing practices, privacy concerns of the users, impact on credible sources, fake news, and cognitive overload. Explosion of online content and the advances in large language models made it increasingly challenging to differentiate between a reliable information and a misleading clickbait. Our goal is to use advanced transformer architecture, semantic knowledge, and cross-attention mechanism to improve the clickbait detection accuracy. Semantic relationship between the tokens and headlines and articles are extracted from ConceptNet and converted into a vector. Each block in the network has an encoder and encoder component, which has a multi-head cross-attention layer, one for the headline and one for the article. The outputs from all the heads are concatenated and forwarded to a normalization layers and feed forward layers. Residual connections are also added to allow the gradient flow. The outputs of all the blocks are concatenated and passed to a classification layer, which determines the likelihood of an headline article page being a clickbait or not. This is my high level architecture. The keys and values from the headline embedding and a query from the article embedding will be sent to the multi-head cross attention for the headline, and the query from the headline and keys and values from the article are sent to multi-head cross attention for the article. And these outputs are layer normalized and passed to the feed forward layers and then averaged. And then the output of all the blocks are concatenated and sent to linear classification layer, which can be used to classify the article pair being headline clickbait or not. These are the results. So I have performed three different experiments, one with only headline and one with article and one with article and the headline. The first two models uses self attention, and I got these accuracies and F1 score. As we can see, the cross attention between the headline and article encoder gave me the best results. Conclusion and future work. So cross attention enhances the model ability to capture the intricate dependencies and semantic nuances within the between the headlines and the articles. We can also try to use different input formats like images, videos to extract further dependencies and relationships. For example, clickbait is more prevalent in YouTube videos also. So we can use that input format and try to classify between a clickbait or not. We can also use self detection uh, within the headlines and the articles, and then send those outputs to the cross attention mechanisms. Thank you.